Welcome all. Myself Akshat Jain. I am studying in grade 8th Patni Public School, Nimbada. My theme is NCC, that is National Cadet Corps. What is NCC? The National Cadet Corps is the Indian Military Cadet Corps with its headquarters at New Delhi. It is open to school and college students on voluntary basis. The National Cadet Corps in India is a voluntary organization which recruits cadets from high schools, colleges, universities all over India. The cadets are given basic military training in small arms and parades. The officers and cadets are given preference over normal candidates during selections based on the achievements in the corps. Aims of NCC: to develop qualities of character, courage, comradeship, discipline, leadership, secular outlook, spirit of adventure, and sportsmanship, and the ideas of selfless service among the youth to make them useful citizens, to create a human resource of organized, trained, and motivated youth to provide leadership in all walks of life, including the armed forces, and be always available for the service of the nation. DG's four cardinal principles of discipline. First, obey with a smile. Second, be punctual. Third, work hard and without fuss. Fourth, make no excuses and tell no lies. Motto of NCC: Unity and Discipline. In living up to its motto, the NCC strikes to be and is one of the greatest cohesive forces of the nation, bringing together the youth hailing from different parts of the world and molding them into united, secular, and disciplined citizens of the nation. This is NCC Pledge. We, the cadets of the National Cadet Corps, do solemnly pledge that we should always uphold the unity of India. We resolve to be disciplined and responsible citizens of our nation. We should undertake positive community service in the spirit of selflessness and concern for our fellow beings. This is NCC flag. The three colors in the flag depict the three services of the corps: red for the army, deep blue for the navy, and the light blue for the air force. NCC structure: there are 17 directorates located in the state capitals, headed by an officer of a rank of a major general from the three services. These 17 directorates are divided in total of 814 units, divided in three service groups: Army, Navy, and Air. First, Army. Out of those, 684 are Army. Second, Navy. Out of those, 69 are Naval. Third, Air Force. Out of those, 61 are air units. Thank you.